Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to an update on Ethereum Classic. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price of Ethereum Classic is once again bounced very well from this very long-term up trend line support. And you can see that this support is coming from the month of March 2021. We had a bounce here, another bounce, another bounce, another bounce. And here for a while, the price had moved down below this support, but now again, it was dropped down at this support. And now after this bounce, we have also broken out the next long-term resistance of $21 that has been recently working as a point of rejection here. Before that, for a few weeks, it has been working as a resistance here, and support here as well. And now the price line is reached the next long-term resistance of $25. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this breakout from this channel and a very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of July 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for HEI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this TradingView chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade signal I shared on 14th of July 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rally to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Ethereum Classic. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. Before that, we broke down the support of this up channel. Then we had this big drop. And now recently, we have broken out the resistance. But after the breakout, it was rejected by this long-term resistance of $21. You can see that for the past several weeks, it was working as a resistance. And now once again, after getting bounced from this very long-term uptrend line support, the price line has broken out the next resistance of $21 and trying to break out another resistance of $25 that had been previously working as support here for several days or weeks. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $25 has been previously acting as a resistance here and support here and resistance here. You can see that for several weeks, it has been working as a resistance here. And therefore now, again, it is breaking as a resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this it is rejected by this resistance of $25, but still moving very close to this resistance. And in case of breaking it out, an imminent move is possible up to the next long-term resistance of $32. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $40, but in my opinion, it can also hit this long-term resistance of $40 as well. And if you take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that this $40 has been previously working as a very strong and long-term resistance here for several weeks and support here for several weeks a month. Therefore, now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Ethereum Classic. Now here on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $85 to $100. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.